Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Ariana Grande's ponytail hairstyle from the Positions era on Dress to Impress. So we're going to get this hair and we're going to toggle it to no flowers like so. And then for the color, I'm just going to input this color. It's the same for all of the hairs we will be using. So it's 8D6A5 2. I'm just going to save that and then I'm going to color it all the same color like so. Then we're going to add the Barbie ponytail. I call it a Barbie ponytail because it reminds me of it. And I'm going to color that the same as well. Then I'm going to add the colorful hair here. Oh, I forgot the flower hair and some toggles, sorry. So go to the adjustments, the accessory adjustments. And for the flower hair, you'll need the y-axis at 0.36. The z-axis at 0.61. And then the rotation at 0.76. And the scale at 0.19. My god, I don't have time. Okay, let me just jump out of that first. And then we will need I call this a doll hair / colorful hair. So we are going to get that one. If I can just find it. It's all the way down there. Okay, and I'm going to color it all the same color. Then for the adjustments, I'm going to put the y-axis at 0.53, the z at 0.67, the rotation at 0.32, and the scale at 0.55. Then we're just going to use this hair, the bun, color it the same, and toggle it to bangs only. Then lastly, we just need to add the headband. And I'm just going to make some minor adjustments to it. Position at 0.45 and the rotation at 0.85. Like so. And there you have it. There's your position there. I know she doesn't use these earrings, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!